Okay, now let's create star schema. Okay, let's model this data into a star schema. So for a star schema we require one fact table and multiple dimension tables. So what we are going to do is, as you know, I have already created this table which is actually directly from the source. Okay, so keeping this table, I have created another reference table master and did some initial modeling on it. So we won't be doing creating fact tables and all from this one, but we are just doing a common set of operations, like we'll promote the headers and change data types and all those stuff, top level stuff. Now coming down, I'm going to create another reference, and this is considered as the fact. I'm going to name it cases. So this fact is a general terminology that we follow. It's like for fact tables you can name it as fact table name, and for dimensional tables you can name it as dim table name, or the other way around, cases fact, the table name dim. So it's as per the user's wish or the company standards, uh, but make sure that you follow one standard strictly. Now I'm going to again reference this, create a dimension table. Okay, just before that, let's see what would be the dimension tables we will be requiring over here. So considering all these columns, we don't need these uh, 4 columns as dimension because they are purely values. We don't need this as dimensions. They can still remain in the fact table. So the other tables that we may need to consider, other columns that we may need to consider are these 3. Okay, so what we will do is we will create a dimension table with these things. Now we will try to create two two dimension tables. Okay, one for the country and one for the region. Okay, well, let's do one for country code as well.